Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Today I am going to talk about this beautiful vine called string of hearts. This plant is usually grown for its heart-shaped leaves. When its string with its leaves comes out of hanging basket, it looks like waterfall. Keep the plant in the place where it gets bright indirect light. You can also keep this plant in a place where it gets 2 to 3 hours of morning sunlight. Indoor, you can keep this plant in south or west facing windows. Strings of heart does not tolerate whole day sunlight. Whole day sunlight may burn its leaves. If you see leaf turning pale in color and at wider apart, this normally is because of low light, so you need to transfer the plant in a brighter spot. Water the plant when top 2 to 3 inches become dry during its active growing period, that is spring and summer, and during winter and autumn you need to water when soil completely dries out. The plant is very prone to root rot, so do not overwater this plant. You can give dilute liquid fertilizer once in a month during its active growing period. If you want to repot the plant, the best time for repotting is summer. You can do propagation in water as well as soil. This plant has tuber, so you can do the propagation from tuber also. You can do the propagation from cutting also. Just take the cutting of this string and remove these leaves and place this string in the soil. Make sure that node is inside the soil, and same thing you can do in water also. Remove the leaves and you can place at least one node inside the water from where root will be formed. Use light, well draining soil. I've used 1 part of sand, 1 part of leaf mold, and 1 part of garden soil. You can use perlite, cocopeat, and compost also. The main attraction of this plant is leaf, but this plant produce flower also, and I equally love its flower. You can see this beautiful flower. If you provide an ideal condition, even a small plant like this can produce the flower during spring time or summertime. Biggest problem in this plant is overwatering. So when the leaves of your string of heart start to shade or turn yellow, you have to be very careful. It means that you have overwatered your plants. So try to check your drainage hole, and if the potting mixture is not drying, change the soil immediately before the plant's root gets rot. If you like hanging plants, this is the best plant for you. Does not require much care and much attention. Just make sure your soil is well drained and you don't overwater your plant. This is it for today, friends. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching HR Garden.